Today I'm harvesting two leafy greens from my little garden here in New Zealand, Gotukola and Kale. I brought them inside, gave them a good wash and started preparing them. First I'm going to cook the kale. I added a little oil to the pan followed by some chopped onions. Once the onions started cooking, I added the finely chopped kale leaves. Then I added some desiccated coconut, a little turmeric powder and salt. I don't like to overcook kale, so I only cook it for a short time. I take it off the heat while the leaves are still a beautiful green color. Now it's time for the Gotukola Sambol. I finely chopped the Gotukola and prepared the coconut. I added a little water to the desiccated coconut and warmed it in the microwave. Once it cooled down, I added it to the Gotukola. Then I added chopped onions, chopped green chilli, some pepper and salt. Finally, I squeezed in some fresh lemon juice and mixed everything together. And that's it. Two simple dishes with a lovely Sri Lankan flavor. The best part is that both the gotukola and kale came straight from a little garden in New Zealand. I didn't try gotukola when I was a child because I wasn't very adventurous with flavors back then. Now I actually wish I had tried it earlier. There's something really special about growing food in your own garden and bringing it a little taste of home to your table. Is there a food you didn't like or try as a child but love now? Thanks for watching. See you in the next garden update.